How to verify LinkedIn account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on our profile over here on the top left and we're going to open our own profile over here. So over here, what we're going to do or look for is the verification badge over here. So this will allow us to verify our LinkedIn. So simply click on add the verification badge and over here we will then be able to begin our process. So it will be verified through Persona over here, and we will need to provide a valid NFC-enabled government ID. After that, simply click on Verify with Persona. So ensure that you have the following or the items that I have previously just mentioned. Over here, select your country over here, of course. Select the corresponding one. Then agree to this different boxes over here. Then click on Continue. Now, it depends on what country you're in. There will be different options for your verification. But over here, it's going to confirm if you have the symbol in front or the back of your ID. Because if it doesn't, it means that your card is not eligible to verify your persona or yourself or your account. So simply click on yes, continue if you have found it. If it's not, then click on I am unable to do this now, meaning you don't have the proper ID to verify your information. So simply click on yes, continue. And then basically here you will be able to choose among the different following government ID to verify your identity. And any of this option would work. So simply select the one that you prefer. And you're just basically going to take a clear picture of it. And then you're also going to take a clear picture of yourself to verify. After that, you should then be able to verify your LinkedIn if your information matched and it was able to recognize your ID. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.